Hi Anupreet, this is Sharyar Abid. I hope I have pronounced your name correctly. If I have not, then I'm sorry for that. This is how the templates will work, and in this video, I'll explain how this is the Panda CMS is working and how have I coded the templates and where have I coded the templates. So, when you will download the repository, you will see this eSport AMI-website folder. Now I have downloaded it in my XAMPP htdocs folder, so this is my localhost environment. So I used to work here. So when you will download this, inside this you will see this a subfolder named eSport.ami. This is the main website, and this index file was supposed to display the coming soon page, but this is exactly not the one. I'm not sure what the other backend developer did, but when if you visit esportami.com, you will see a template just like this, and that template is in template default, and that is this maintenance.php. So this is the template that is displaying. Let me open it. So this is basically the coming soon page template that you will see on the website if you right now visit esportami.com. I'm sorry, it's taking a little bit long. So yes, this is it. So as you can see, we are coming soon, and so on and so forth. Now if I go back, uh, and this is the main folder of the website eSport AMI. Inside this folder, my part of the job was inside this templates folder and a little bit inside this JS folder. Inside this JS folder, there are some custom jQuery files and JavaScript related files that were added, and this is where I have partly added some JavaScript code and partly added some in the footer. I'll explain you later. So I added this code in the custom, and these are for the owl carousels on the page. So inside this templates folder and inside the default folder, this is where the models, the basic templates are. This common folder contains all the templates that are commonly used in the website. For example, the footer template, the header template, the model windows. The model windows are the windows that if you when you will visit the website, or if you have seen my video, the other video that I have sent you, you would have seen that when I click on the sign in and sign up button, two model windows appear, and there is a sign up form and a sign in form in them. So this is the file that I have created. Since this model window was supposed to appear on all the pages no matter where on the site we are, so I had to place them here, add this template here in the common folder. So this way all the templates would appear, that this model window template would appear in all the pages. In the footer, if I open it up, now I have added most of the code, JavaScript code, that I did in the footer. As you can see, this is the JavaScript code. So there is a script, then JavaScript. Now in the beginning we had some problems when I was creating this template and working with the other backend developer, that some of this JavaScript code was interfering with the other JavaScript code. So what I did here is that I added some PHP code, a little bit of PHP code. So the logic of this PHP code was, if first you get the URL of the current page that the user is on. So if the URL of that page, there it is, get the absolute URL. If the page URL is esportami.com, which is the home page, then apply this code. And what is this code? This code is the JavaScript code specifically for the home page, not for anyone else. So this way the code of the other pages which was interfering with the code of the other pages, and because of that the front end code was not shown properly, or the structure was not being shown properly, got shown properly after this. So this way I have also minimized the JavaScript code on any particular page. For example, so similarly, If the user is on bookings page, then only apply the JavaScript code necessary for the booking page and not something else. So you will see it all here in the footer file. So this is the header file. Header is the basic, it contains the menu and the other and the logo, obviously. So this is the CSS folder which I have only worked in, I think, this custom.css file, and this is the owl carousel's default files that I edit. My most of the work that I did was in the models window. In the models are all the templates that you will see on the in the front end of the website, and this is how the Pandao CMS is working. So if you want to include any template in the Pandao CMS, then you will have to add it here in the inside the default and models folder. So the template that I added were this add event, and this was the booking page template. I think one of these, I don't remember right now exactly. This one. This is the template that I'm using, because before me there was a backend developer only working on this project, and he did not know how to create the front end structure, so he messed up a lot on this booking page. So I had to create a new bookings template. So this is the main template that you'll work on. This is the checkout template, this is the event details template, hotel details template, and the home template. So I think there is one, yes, these two are as well, thank you card and travel, thank you and travel card templates as well. So let me pause the video and let me open the design that was initially given to me by Giuliano, so that I'll let you know how are these templates, which part of the design are these templates. So let me just pause it here. So here's the design file. I don't know if Giuliano has sent you this file, but if not, then ask him to send you this file. So this is the main PDF file that I have opened right now. There is an Adobe Illustrator file as well, like this. So let me demonstrate it even. So this is the main home page that will be the home page of our site. In the home page there are two sections. One is the search area by different cities, the main or the best hotels in that city, uh, and one is the hotel search area of the page. Now there are two types of search that users will be able to do. Right now, for the first part, I think we are doing the hotel search, and then we will be doing the event search. Now if you download the repository, and if everything is all set up on your all set up correctly on your local host, then you will see that this part is working correctly. And if you click on the hotel search bar will appear, and when you will click on the event search bar will appear. So this is the event search. This is how the event will only be searched using one event names only. And for hotels, I think there are a few search criteria, like the number of children, number of people attending wanted to stay in the hotel, search the city or the country, etc. So there are two basic design flows of this site. Let me zoom out a little, as you will see here. Yes, so now that I've told you, on the home page there are two different search criteria. One is the event search, one is the hotel search. So this basic design flow is for the event search, and this design flow is for the hotel search criteria, this one. So let me zoom in again. So when I went to the common folder, and there I said that there is a file name models. In this common, this is the model that I'm talking models. These models are these windows. Inside these models, this is the sign in form, and this is the sign up form. So I have created these forms inside a Bootstrap model window inside this models template. So when you do the sign up coding, you will have to go to this particular template. uh, First let me go through the events hotel, which is the main right now issue of the site. So I think you will first be doing the implementing the hotel search. So this all search is working perfectly in the HTML, but it's the backend is yet to be developed for this. Sorry about that. So the basic flow of the hotel is when someone will click on this hotel search criteria, they will be redirected to this page. This is the bookings page that I have was talking you about in the models and bookings. So this is the template. Right now this part is of the total side of the screen. So when you will visit this page, this part would be the full width or full height of the screen, and this part of the page would be scrollable, so you can scroll this part. So I have coded this, and I have coded this map as well, and I have also looped these markers in the map. If you see it in the video, let me, it would be somewhere here. So if you see on the website, yes, so this is the search event for the, this is the event, and this is the search bar for the hotels. So when someone click on this, they will be redirected to, yes, this page. So I have created this page and I have created some filters here as well. So as you can see, this is the map that I have coded, and this is the sidebar. So this will be in synchronization and synchronized with this one. So there are a few search criteria. One is this dates, so check-in and check-out date. One would be the price. In this side, this price, there would be a price range slider. Yes, okay. So if you can see, there are two dates that would be applied, and inside this price range, the user will be able to set the minimum and maximum price range of the hotel, and they will then be able to search. So whenever this applica or the apply in the search button, both the search areas searches will be changed here and here as well. The third search criteria is the number of guests that would be coming. So based on this area, this the hotels will available, the rooms available inside any particular hotel will be changed. So as you can see, this all is working. So these kind of uh, toggle buttons that will change the numbers of these adult children and babies, wherever you find this on the website, please note that I have created some hidden fields along with them, so that you can if this is changed here, then the value would be automatically changed inside those hidden fields as well. So I have created them for you so that you can use those hidden field values easily for your backend development. So when someone will apply this, these hidden field, these values will then be saved on those hidden fields, and then you can match that from the match that criteria from the hotels API, and then show the search here. So wherever on the site you find these buttons, so please note that I have created hidden fields along with them. After that, there is one more search criteria that I have created, but I created it after making this video, which was that if someone comes on this map, if they zoom the map, then the search would again change, not only here but here as well. So whatever it is inside this map boundaries, only those hotels will be shown here. So what I did was I uh, created the code so that I created basically four input fields in which I'll uh, be getting the coordinates of this corner and this corner. When I get the coordinates of this corner, I'll get the coordinates of this horizontal line and the vertical line. Similarly, when I get the coordinates of this corner, I'll get the coordinates of this line and this line. Then I have again saved these four values inside four different hidden input fields for you to use those fields, use those coordinates to match the search criteria and reset this and this search areas. So basically, if someone zooms in or zooms out, uh, as soon as the boundary coordinates will change, those coordinates will get appeared inside those hidden fields, and you will then change the search criteria for those for this page. So as you can see, this part is scrollable. And now, so I have also coded these info windows for you as well. So the right now I am getting these different designs from just a list. These are the dummy data that I added in that particular list inside the map area. This code you will be able to find it in the footer file inside the section where I have I think this is the second page that I after the home page. Then I have written the code for the bookings page, and you will see that there would be some PHP code written that if the page URL matches this bookings page, then implement this JavaScript code. Inside that JavaScript code there is the Google Map code, and inside that I have looped this all through. So as you can see, these all are working along with their prices, different prices shown here. So let me open the footer template and let me show you where are those. So this is the bookings PHP file, and this is the map. So as you can see, I am getting these map coordinates of the north, east and southwest here, and I am getting I'm setting the values inside these four fields that I have given the IDs. So there would be four hidden input fields with the IDs of these four with these four IDs, and inside those I'll be changing the coordinates. So if someone zooms in or zooms out of this map, then you will get the coordinates there. So I think there is this is the info window code, and let me show you where is the list that I am using. This is the map center. You will change the coordinates of the map center here. Location. This is the start of the bookings page code. This code for booking page, this would be the Google Maps code starts here. Okay, so sorry, this is the locations. So as you can see, there is some I have created this inside a list, basically an arrays. Yes, an array of array. So the first element of this list would be again a list, so would be the second element, third and fourth. So there is some description. These are the coordinates of this of the location of these points. So as you can see, this is a description. These coordinates will then be used to show the position of these priced markers. As you can see, these price markers, so you can change them on your own based on what uh, you think is good for the how to do the backend code. But this is how I have done it. Basically, I just used an example from Google Maps. So these are the prices: 299, 41, 93, 84, and this is 41, 84, 290, 93. So this is where the look I'll getting these location, and I'm using these locations here inside the info window code. As you can see, this is the info window code, and there I'm using these locations. So I have made this dynamic for you. I have also getting the coordinates of this, so the on the zoom you will also be able to change. So this was the booking page. After the booking page, there are some other templates as well. Let me so this is also on the home page. So so these are the model windows that I was talking about. This is the sign in form, it is also working. This is the sign up form, it is also working. And so are these links. If someone will click on this SED link, they will be redirected to the sign in form. So these are in the model windows. After that, this is the bookings page, it's also working. So are these files. As you can see, the sign in and sign up and how it works windows are working in all the templates. Sign up is working on the booking page as well. So after that, I think there is an add event or add hotel templates. Let's go back to the design. Where is it? This is. So let me zoom out a little. Once some will be from the search, they will be redirected to this booking page, and someone will click on this, their info window will appear, and this is how the prices are appearing. As I have given you the demonstration that these are working properly. So these are the carousels that are working on every page. So let me zoom out a little. Okay, after selecting any particular page, they will be redirected to hotel description page. This is the hotel description page, and I think I have created a template for that in the models. Okay, hotel details page, hotels detail.page. Hotel detail will display this template properly, and as you can see it here, these will be, I think, the related hotels, some hotel rooms related to this one, and this will be the name of the hotel. There would be some description about it, and these are the filters that are also working inside those pages. Let me zoom in a little. So these are the also working. As you can see, these filters are here as well. Choose the number of adults, children and babies. So alongside these, there are also some hidden fields that I'm updating these values into so that you can use as well. So these are different carousels. This is the related hotels. So when someone will click on this, they will again redirect it to, I think, this template. This is the add hotel template or add event template, I think. Yes, this is something add event template. So basically there are some templates that are same in the hotel and event design flow. So I have just created one template, and I thought you would be able to just code it dynamically so that if the data is for the event, then use this event. As you can see, this template is exactly like this template. Where is it? This one and this one. So there is just one template for this one. So these are the hotel details, and this would be the event details template. Yes, there would be description of it. This template would be the add event template, which is the same for hotels and the events. So if I zoom in a little on this template, you will see these filters are also working on the page. Let me show you it in the video. So this is the add event page. As you can see here, this template would be the same for the hotel and the events, and there are two carousels, not two carousels, just one carousel, and these are basically the same styles. Here there will the description of the cost. This cost will be based on this filter. So when someone is on the hotel description page, they will select the number of babies, number of children, the check-in and check-out date, and then when they will apply these and proceed to the next page. After this, there will be some cost here. These cost will be created dynamically based on this. So when someone will click on this Prinota, they will be redirected to this add event template. Add event template is same for the add hotel and add event. So as you can see, when someone will click, this description will also be shown here. So this is add description. After that, these I do not exactly know, these are something like related hotels or events, or you might be interested in something, but this is written in Italian, so you can ask Giuliano what is this. And these are again the related hotels or related events area. As you can see, this carousel is also working. Now in the beginning I did not know if these related carousel should be same for every template or is would be different, because I did not know how would you work on it. So just to be on the safe side, on every template I have given these carousels a different ID. So you will see it in the footer template, footer.php, that there would be code in every template for this carousel as well. So if the page URL is event details page, then there will be a code for owl carousel. There it is, owl carousel. So this is the code for owl carousel, and yes, this is different. So right now we are using this simple owl carousel, and on the hotel details template, the owl carousel ID would be a little different. So you see owl1, earlier it was just owl. So I've given them different IDs just to make sure they do not interfere with each other, because I did not know. If you want to use the same related field, and you can just code dynamically in PHP, if you want to use the related event, then you can do it as well. So I just wanted to let you know that inside every page I have given these carousels a different ID. So this is different in this, the code is same but the IDs are different. So this is the add event template. This is the same for the add hotel and add events. So this would be the checkout page, I think. No, so these are the event details. Now there is an event detail template and hotel detail template. These templates are not the same, these are different, because this particular search area is different for both of them. So I've created these as two separate templates, and for to add these, after clicking this, you will get to the add hotel or add event page. That template is same because that has the same structure for both the hotel and event search. You can see this is also working, and in the end there are again the related events or related hotels carousel with a different ID on each template. Again, when you will visit this part on the page, you will see there would be an input field along with this, which would be hidden field, and I am just saving these values inside them in the JavaScript. So what's the next page? This is the hotel detail. As you can see, this search is different than this search, so that's why these are two different templates. So this is the hotel details template, and this template is here, hotel details, inside this models folder. So this will be the check-in checkout template, and again most of the template is, rest of the template is same. Check-in, after the hotels there would be another template named checkout. Yes, Checkout is the template where people will add their, I think, sorry about that, this template, this add their credit card information and pay, uh, do the payment, I think. Yes, something like that. I don't right know it, but this template is also key. By the way, all of these templates that I've created are responsive, so they are responsive from the minimum 320 pixel size of any mobile device to the maximum of 2000 pixels or so. So these are all responsive templates and they are all working correctly. Next one would be, I think, the travel card template. Yes, travel card template. So this was the template checkout. Where is it? Where is ABC checkout template? This was it. After that, right now we are on this travel card template. Now when the card would be empty, it would be shown like this, that you do not have anything else. But when the card would not be empty, these two would be shown. This would be the event description and this would be the description of hotel. So if someone is coming on to an event and they are staying in a hotel, so both will be displayed here. And if someone is just coming to an event and not the hotel, and they have not booked the hotel because they are local residents maybe, so this would show 000 something like this, so you will figure it out. So I have created all these three inside this one page, so you will code it dynamically that if the cart is empty then show only this part, and if not then show the rest of the template. Travel cart. So as you can see, this would be shown when there is something in the cart, and this is the continue button, and this is again the relative event area. After that, the last template would be the thank you page template. So this is it. So my work was all inside this models, inside this. So let me okay, this would be the repository folder that you will be downloading on your computer. This is the main website folder. Inside this is the JavaScript that folder where I have written some custom JavaScript. Some of the code is here, and while other rest of the code is in the footer template. Footer templates and all the other templates are inside this templates folder, inside default, and in models are all the templates that I have created for different pages. And common, these are the templates that are common in most of the site, like header, footer, and some for the event. So the in the home page, you there was a search. There were two search bars, one for the event and one for the hotel, these ones. So these two search bars are coming from different search templates. One of them is search booking, and one of them I think is search, and the other is search underscore event. When you will go to the home page, where is it, sorry, home page is in the models window. If you see the home page, you can see we would be including models header. Okay, inside the common folder, this is the search.php. This is for the hotel search, and search underscore event.php file is for the event search. So these two search bars are coming from these templates. So my work was inside these two folders, and this is the basic CSS folder where I have styled all the CSS in this custom CSS. I think you would be working mainly in these two folders, and there would be some other folder for the API as well. This is the API folder where they have coded some API. So Right now, as Giuliano have told you on this that our login is not working because when I tried to log in on the site right now we are think there is an error shown here, unable to connect to the database. If this were working, then I would have shown you how to add the templates in the admin area and how is the esport AMI Pandao CMS admin area is. So this is it for now. Let me know if you need any more help from me. I think once this admin area would start working when you will solve this database connection issue, then I'll make another video for you how is the admin area working. Thanks a lot. This is Shariar Abid saying goodbye.